Love divine, oh love's excelling joy of heaven to earth come down, fix in us thy humble dwelling, all thy faithful mercies crown. Jesus, thou art all compassion, pure and bounded love thou art. Visit us with thy salvation, enter every trembling heart. Come, Almighty, to deliver. Let us all thy life receive. Suddenly return, and never, never more thy temples leave. Thee we would be always blessing, serving us thy hosts above. Pray and praise thee without ceasing, glory in thy perfect love. Finish then thy new creation, pure and spotless let us be. Let us see thy great salvation, perfectly restored in thee. Change from glory into glory, till in heaven we take our place, till we cast our crowns before thee, lost in wonder, love and praise. Change from glory into glory, till in heaven we take our place, till we cast our crowns